of all upcoming and launched 5G mobile phones in 2019. We know how keen you are to find out which 5G smartphones would be dominating the technological world of 2019. But before we start, make sure you subscribe and click on the bell icon for the latest updates. Let us tell you, the list includes all the big names such as the Huawei Mate X, the Samsung Galaxy S10 5G, the LG V50 ThinQ, the Oppo Reno 5G, and the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 5G. Assuming from the number of big multinational tech companies that are working on 5G right now, by the end of 2019, 5G will have quite surely and truly arrived. So let's already immerse ourselves into the list of remarkable 5G mobile phones. Number 1. Huawei Mate X. As we all know, when it comes to smartphones with advanced technology, Huawei has an unmatchable pro in the market of phone-making companies and is also one of the greatest defenders of 5G innovation. One significant feature of the Huawei Mate 10 is that it can be collapsed like a book owing to its solitary 8-inch OLED. Once you collapse it, the front part of the Mate X turns into a showcase that estimates 6.6 inches, while the back screen is 6.4 inches. You can use the back screen for capturing selfies of extraordinary quality or for dialing a phone number. Another feature that makes the Mate X a more modern-looking mobile phone is its showcase that traverses edge-to-edge in both collapsed and unfurled structure factors. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy S10 5G. Moving on to one of the most searing and most discussed smartphones, the Samsung Galaxy S10 has been recently launched with an uncommon 5G variation. Although the new gadget looks quite similar to the magnificent Galaxy S10, it has a bigger 4500 mAh battery, a faster 25 watts charging support, and an extra 2f camera sensor for better depth mapping, enhanced low-light shots, and faster autofocus. Doubtless a perfect 5G mobile phone to own in 2019. Number 3. Oppo Reno 5G. The Reno 5G has been launched by Oppo in Switzerland in partnership with Sunrise Telecom. Apart from Sunrise, the latest mobile phone will be compatible with China Mobile, Swisscom, Telstra, Optus, and Singtel networks. And you know what, guys? Oppo's new Reno 5G phone has 10 times optical zoom, a Snapdragon 855 chipset, and notchless AMOLED screen, all perfectly designed to take your breath away. Number 4. Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 5G. As Qualcomm listed it, Xiaomi is one of those brands who have picked its X50 5G NR modern family for standard 5G equipped mobile device launches starting in 2019. Officially presented at the MWC 2019, the 5G variant of Mi Mix 3 is a slider phone with a 6.39-inch FHD plus screen and is powered by Snapdragon 855 mobile platform. The handset has a 3800 mAh battery and runs Android 9.0 Pie-based MIUI 10 out of the box. Number 5. LG V50 ThinQ. It is expected that the LG V50 ThinQ would be available for sale to users in the US this spring. One unique and interesting thing about this phone is that it has a wide 5G logo on the back that shines when the phone connects to a Sprint's 5G network. Coming to the specs, the LG V50 ThinQ has an utterly magnificent 6.4-inch OLED display, Android 9.0 Pie, triple rear cameras, dual front cameras, 4000 mAh battery, and of course the Snapdragon 855 powering it all. It looks like this year would turn out to be an exciting for all those the technology freaks out there. Plus, it's not only about speed when it comes to 5G, but it's also about being able to get a stronger connection wherever you go. So are you excited? Because surely we are.